The stream is starting.
What up, guys? How's everyone doing today? Welcome to the live stream, episode 80 already, which is insane. But we are here, as always. Episode 80. Appreciate all you guys on here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started here. I'm just setting up the thing here so we can double live stream on TikTok and YouTube. Hope you guys are doing great today. I know it's a little late on a Saturday. It's a Friday, I believe, right? Let me just set this up a little bit better. There we go. Text. Alright, awesome. Here we go. We are ready to rock and roll. There we go. Alright, looks like we're good. Three, two, one. Let's get it started. Let's go live on TikTok. And we are live on TikTok as well. Just taking a look at the markets. Hope you guys are having a wonderful night, a wonderful Friday evening. But let's take a look at the markets because data is up. Wow. So data is up 11% on the daily. So that's great. I am invested in data. Algorand also up. I want to take a look at Algorand too. Is this starting to pivot? Is this starting to pivot? We'll take a look at Algorand tonight. Also data. I still think it's extremely low though. Data's, even though it's up, 11% on the day, it's still at 66 cents, right? But we'll take a look at all these coins tonight, guys. Your favorite coins as well. If you guys are into crypto, definitely follow. You guys know me. I bring you guys content daily. Talk about the markets. Chainlink also up 6%. This is all on the daily, so this is pretty nice for a day. So wow, look at that. Chainlink back at $7. Chainlink back at $7, up 6% on the daily, which is great. Also Theta, one of the coins that I am invested in, up 11%. So pretty good. Some coins here doing pretty well on the daily, right? Some coins double digits here on the daily, which is great. Meanwhile, IMX, but again, IMX was over 40% on the daily. I think yesterday or 2 days ago. So being down 5% isn't that bad since it's been up so much already. Curve is up decently too. Let's take a look at the weekly. How are we looking here on the weekly? So yeah, look, IMX up 22%. Jay, what's up, Jay? Hey, Lewis, good to see you. Good to see you too, Jay. How you been, bro? What you been up to? Let me know what you guys been up to. You guys got any plans for this weekend? I am off Saturday and Sunday, so I'm happy. I'm probably gonna look at the games. Probably live stream again. I'm definitely gonna live stream more. Maybe I might do a end day live stream tomorrow. A surprise live stream during the day. So we'll see that. But how are you guys doing? What are you guys up to? So Chainlink is up 10% on the weekly. Up 10%. Chainlink back to $7. $7 Chainlink. Insane. As well as IMX up 22%. And Theta up 7%. But yeah, thank you guys for joining the live stream. Don't forget to like, guys. If you guys are over at TikTok, you guys like crypto, definitely follow for more. And I'll definitely love to check out some of your favorite coins here. We can check out here in the technical analysis. We can check out some of your favorite coins, and I'll give you my impressions on it. But yeah, so far on the daily, data up 11%. Chainlink back to $7. Curve at almost 10% up. Algorand, I want to take a look at Algorand because I want to see if Algorand is starting to uptrend higher now, because it's just been making new lows. Now the last couple of days, Algorand has been starting to move towards the upside. So is Algorand changing? Let's take a look at that as well. Quant is still at 90 bucks. It's now at 90 bucks. So Quant's falling like I said it would. And yeah, thanks for coming to the live stream, guys. So I titled the live stream Crossroads. Wow. Thank you so much, Lakeside. Thank you. Thank God it's Friday. Thank you so much for the gift, bro. Appreciate the gift. Biden hater says, what coins do you like that have never seen a bull run? Great question. Because there's a lot of coins out there that really haven't seen a bull run, right? These are like newer coins. I like Injective, right? I think Injective hasn't seen a bull run yet. They're pretty new. I actually like Pepe. I know Pepe's super risky, but I actually like Pepe, which has not yet seen a bull run. Again, you got to be careful with Pepe, but I think it can do well in the bull run. It still hasn't seen one yet, right? Other coins, it's hard. I wish there was like a category here where you can see which coins are newer and have yet to see a bull run. But I know Injective hasn't yet, right? I don't think they have. But what is DCR? Joe, what up, Joe? DCR. Never heard of DCR. What is it? Is it a coin? Is that a coin or like some type of something else? Oh, it's a coin. Oh, okay. Never heard of it. I'll check it out here for you. DCR. Strange. So DCR is this coin called Decred, right? Actually never heard of it. Usually I hear a lot of coins. Decred is money involved by combining tested proof of work with innovation of proof of stake that places coin holders in charge of shaping the future. Yeah, it doesn't really say much about the project. It just says that they're like, you know, gonna change the future, like every project says, right? But this is their website. Money involved. Yeah. So yeah, they have a wallet. I really don't know what they're about. Basically, know what their purpose is. And that's the big thing, right? One of the biggest things that you guys should take a note of when you judge coins projects is right off the bat, when you go to the website or whatever you do you already know what they're about? Because if you're like having a hard time trying to figure out what they're about, not a good sign, right? That to me is a red flag. You should be able to go to the website and see, like, for example, Solana, right? Solana, you go here to the website. You go to Solana's website here, and you know, you're able to see basically what they're about, right? Decentralized, scalable. They have NFT platforms, so you definitely want to look at that. Jay says, with all that's going on in Bitcoin at 26,500, what do you think the next move will be for October? Many say that it will start taking off next month. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I think, Jay, because I titled the live stream episode 80. By the way, guys, thank you for being here, part of history. Crypto Hangout episode 80. I titled the live stream "Crypto is at a Crossroads," because I think the price that we're at right now is at a crossroads. It can either go, depending where it closes, right? If I show you the charts here on the weekly, you know, depending on where we close, it's gonna go either way down or way up. This might be the shoulder here already. This might be the high, or it might not be the high. It might keep uptrending into October. So I'll take a look at the charts, and I'll let you know what I think. Bro, Bitcoin TA in a lower time frame, please. What's up, Sniff? How you doing, bro? Joe says, thanks, I appreciate your opinion. Anytime, Joe. Anytime. Thank you for coming to the live stream. Thank you for all the likes, guys. Don't forget to like. Every like helps. But I want to talk about Bitcoin, right? Because Jay asked me that question. What I think will happen next month. I was more bullish this month than most people. And so far, we've been just slightly a little bit more bullish, right? But basically, right now, it's a scenario of if this happens, then we go down. If that happens, then we go up. So from what I'm going to be looking here, in 2 days is the weekly close for the weekly. Okay? In 2 days, about 2 days, 1 day and 23 hours is the weekly close. This is very important. You know why? Because if we close here, I believe if we close here red, right? If we close here, if we get a red weekly, if we close about under 26,400, so if we close under 26,400, I think that's very bearish. Which we're pretty close to it, right? So if you close on the weekly around 26,400, this might be the top of the head and shoulders, so the shoulder, and then we might start trending down. Okay, it really depends where we close. That's the thing. That's why I believe we're at a crossroads, because I really can't predict where we're gonna close. I honestly think that we're gonna close positive here. I think we're gonna close above, 26,600 around here, and that to me is much more bullish, because we can continue this uptrend into October, and that's what I think will happen. But again, you never know. You never know, because we still got 2 days left, right? And just be aware, if you see Bitcoin closing on the weekly in 2 days under 26,400, that's the key number, 26,400, then that is very, very bearish, and I would probably look for us to come to the downside, in my opinion. So Scott says, what's the mining machine you bought? Thank you for asking, Scott. I bought 2 mining machines. And both of them are Doge Mini Miner 2. And the reason why I bought this was because, number one, I believe in Dogecoin long term. And that's the number one reason on whether you buy any mining machine is, do you believe in that coin? If you do, then mine it. So I believe in Dogecoin long term. Number two, it was on sale at a great price. And I would not recommend buying this at a retail price, because I don't think it's worth it right now. It's not I think it's about break even, and I still have them on. It's like about break even. But Gold Shell about a month ago was having a great sale, and they always have these great sales. That's why, every time a live stream, come to my live stream, because I'll keep you guys updated on the sales for Gold Shell and mining. I'll take a look at Algo in a bit, Eric. And they were having this great sale. It was like 30% off. And from the retail price of like 550, I believe, where it's at right now, it came down to 350. Around 350, somewhere like that. So I bought 2. I was like, wait, that's a great price for the Doge Mini 2, which basically mines double amounts of Dogecoin as the Doge Mini 1. And I have a Doge Mini 1 that I'm trying to sell. So, yeah, I bought 2 of them. They're great. They're easy. They're probably the best beginner mining equipment you can have are the the boxes, not the Dogecoin, not just the Dogecoin miners, but the gold shell miners. Super easy to set up, much easier than like GPU mining. And it's like, to me, it's a gateway. If you're looking to get into GPU mining, I think it's a gateway to get into it. What is the name of the website? So the name of the website is Gold Shell, and I'm contacting them right now. I'm in contact with them through email. I'm trying to collaborate with them since I have like a lot of their miners, and I'm probably gonna make a video. Probably gonna have like a affiliate link for you guys. Hopefully I could get a discount for you guys. But it's called Gold Shell. I'll type it right here. And I'm telling you, every time we get like, you know, near special days like Christmas or certain days, they always have discounts and stuff. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated for sure. Big D, what's up, Big D? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. Are you the same Big D that's on YouTube? Because there's another guy called Big D on YouTube. And I'll take a look at Algo for you. I was actually looking to look at Algorand, because it's been up 6%. But yeah, anytime, bro. What's up, CB? Chips, what's up, Chips? How you been? I've been pretty good. How about you, Chips? How you been? What you been up to? Oh, we almost got 500 likes on TikTok. Don't forget to like, guys. You guys are killing it. Every like helps. Yeah, I did see it. It was great, man. Thank you so much for the video, Chips. I really liked your channel. Go subscribe to Chips' channel. He has a great channel. He already has 14,000 subscribers. Wow. That's amazing, man. Congrats on your channel. I'm happy that you're doing amazing. Love your channel, man. Go subscribe to Chips. So Data, wow, Data's now up almost 10%. Algorand up 6%. Let's take a look at Algorand since you guys asked. Is Algorand starting to trend up? On the bigger picture, it looks horrible, right? Algorand looks horrible. But let's take a look here at on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, you can see that on the 4 hour since September 23rd, which was like yesterday, we started to uptrend here. So this is a good sign here for Algorand. But we're coming here towards a lot of resistance, right? And I would not be longing at this price here for Algorand. Why? Because this is a big resistance where we actually bounced off 3 times. Look at that. 3 times we bounced off here as support. And then once we came here, big rejection. Now we come in here again, and we got rejected hard already. Now we're coming here for a second time. It looks like we're gonna break it. I'm gonna be honest with you. Just looking at the price action, it looks very bullish. It looks like we're gonna break it, but I would still be careful, just because this is a big point of control, right? We can easily get rejected here and then stay flat, start trending down. But this is great. This is great for Algorand, even though it's been down some extreme prices, almost below 9 cents, right? Below 9 cents. And when you look at the bigger picture, Algorand is one of the few coins that's been lower than the 2020 price. Not a lot of coins have been lower than the 2020 price, right? When we had the Black Swan event and everything. So that is really bad for Algorand. And you gotta be careful if you're heavily invested in something like that. Be very careful. West G, what's up, West G? How you doing, bro? I like how West G and Sniff, both of you guys got like dog profile pics. I just can't see myself calling another man Big D. No. Oh, it's not. Okay, so it's another person. Crypto Billionaire says, where all the bulls gone? Yeah, I mean, right now I'd say that we're kind of in the middle, right? I don't think the bulls or bears have control right now. We're gonna find out in 2 days when we have the weekly close. Until then, we're just gonna stay flat. But like I said, if we can close above 26,400, I think we're bullish. We're extremely bullish if we can close above 26,400. But if we don't, right? If we don't close above 26,400 on the weekly, that is, what's gonna happen? We're gonna get a red candle. We're gonna start. We're gonna break this uptrend that we've been in here, and we're probably gonna start downtrending, in my opinion. So that's what you want to look at for the next 2 days when we get that weekly close. I'll probably live stream, but this is gonna be very critical, because I think this is gonna be what can determine Bitcoin going back to 28K or back to 23K, honestly. Anytime, Eric. Let me know if there's any other coins you guys want me to check out over on YouTube. And wow, thank you for 2,000 likes on YouTube. You guys are amazing. You guys are killing it. My bad, on TikTok. On TikTok. On YouTube, we got 6 likes, 7 likes now. Man, we got the whole gang here on YouTube. You guys are all on here. Tristan Gamer, what's up, Tristan? We got West G here, Yasin. Everyone's on here on the live stream. You guys are amazing. Scott says, what is the website for mining? I could find the spelling. Yeah, so you're talking about the mining equipment. It's called Gold Shell. So that's where I got mine. Okay. But the thing is, Scott, I wouldn't recommend buying at retail price. I would wait till they have a discount. Also, I'm working with them. I'm in contact with them, and I should have like an affiliate link where I could provide you guys with a discount very soon. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. I'll probably make a video on that. And also, I also recommend buying used, because 2 of the miners that I have, I bought used at great price. And you know, I do believe though that this is a great time to get into mining, and the reason why is, before, when you look at last bull run, people that, you know, the mining prices, the prices for the mining machines before the 2021 bull run were super cheap. And the thing was, it wasn't profitable. It was about break even, just like it is right now. It's not profitable. It's break even. And what happened? The people that bought it when it was not profitable but super cheap in price, when the bull run came, those mining equipment, CPU, like GPUs and all that, exploded in price. Like, for example, my mini Dogecoin, my mini Doge 1, not the number 2. The number 2 came out during this bear market. My mini Doge 1, I bought it for $250 during this bear market. $250. Guess how much it was during the bull market? It was about $1,000. It was about 1,000. I think the highest it was is 1,200, but it was about $1,000. So that is a big difference. And again, there's a reason why it was that price. It was profitable. Now it's slightly not profitable, almost about break even. It depends on Dogecoin's price. But that's the thing. You gotta take that risk if you believe in it. If you believe in mining, if you believe in the coin. But number one, before you ever buy a miner, the number one question you got to ask yourself, do I believe in this coin? Right? If you're looking to get into Caspa mining, do I believe in Caspa? Do I believe it will do well? Don't buy a miner if you're like unsure. Like for example, Cadena, KDA. Oh, you know, I'm unsure about Cadena. I really don't know about the project, if they're going to survive. But let me spend $500 on the miner. No, don't have the attitude. Have the attitude of, yes, you know, I believe in Litecoin, I believe in Bitcoin, I believe in Ethereum Classic, so I'm gonna invest in the miner. That's the way that I believe. That's the attitude you should have. Lex says, what's a good exchange to buy Bitcoin since Coinbase fees are so high? Great question by Lex. I actually like Kraken. And if Coinbase fees are high, don't use the first page of Coinbase. There's a place in Coinbase where you can trade and the fees are super cheaper. I don't know if you try that, but it's one where you go to like, put limit orders. But if you don't like Coinbase, I will look at Kraken and also Gemini. I don't think Gemini even has fees. Just be careful holding your crypto on there. Right? Just my opinion. Is it a buy? Is what a buy, Manka? Which coin are you talking about? Scott says, thanks. I'll wait. What's break even electric bill? Yeah, so break even, like, there's actually websites called, like, you can just put in the miner that you're looking to get into. So you put in, like, the name of the miner and then put profitability. And there's like a bunch of websites that tells you right now if they're break even, if they're profitable, if they're not profitable, right? It gives you like an estimation based on an electric bill. But yeah, based on an electric bill, like I can't figure out how much I use on the electric on this just looking at my electric bill. I would have to get like some type of equipment to see how much electricity is taken out. But that's why there's these websites where you can check out, okay, this miner at the moment takes out this amount of electricity, so it's not break even based on the price. Well, she says, Lewis, do yourself a favor and buy CRHT. You will make money on it. Launches on the corner. Oh, it's a new coin. I never heard of them. Are they like about to launch? And if they are, like, how do you get into it? How do you buy it? Scott says, what about mining ETH or Bitcoin? So, ETH, like, I don't think you can mine ETH anymore. Ever since the migration. But you can mine Ethereum Classic. And my thoughts on Bitcoin, I say this all the time. Bitcoin is, it's not worth mining. Unless you got tons of money. Okay, Bitcoin is not good for beginners. Okay, and you can just look at it, like a lot of people, everyone that mines Bitcoin, right? There's this guy that mines Bitcoin. They got like this warehouse, right? They got like basically it takes a lot of money to be profitable mining Bitcoin. The miners are super loud. It's just you're gonna have to invest a lot to get out of it, right? It's just how it evolved. But as a beginner, I would not recommend mining Bitcoin unless you got the money, you got the space. So yeah. Thank you, Lex. Thoughts on Gala? Mamba, thanks for coming to the live stream. If you guys are new again, definitely follow. Thank you for the almost 3K likes. You guys are killing it. My thoughts on Gala. I actually have some Gala. I'm still bullish on Gala, even with what's going on. About a month ago, I made a video on my top 3 gaming coins, and Gala was one of them. But before Gala, I had Immutable X. And at the moment, even back then, and even at the moment, especially now, I put Immutable X ahead of Gala because I actually made a TikTok on this. Why do I put IMX over Gala, which is actually, it's been up 22% on the weekly. And I made a video about a month ago talking about IMX. But the reason why right now I would choose IMX over Gala, and they are basically in the same sector, but the reason why I'll choose IMX over Gala is because IMX, unlike Gala, IMX is staying on Ethereum. It's not migrating like Gala is, right? And when we see in past history, migrations usually are bearish because it's not easy, right? You're moving from the #1 altcoin to your own chain, so it's a big step for Gala. If they pull it off, it's like a big risk reward. If they pull it off, amazing reward, right? I want it to be successful, but I believe IMX is at a great position too. And I believe both of these can survive and do well. But IMX is focusing on Ethereum as a second layer solution for Ethereum, but focused on gaming, NFTs, crypto gaming. They're already working with Illuvium, Unchained Gods, right? And actually, I played Unchained Gods. It's pretty. If you like card games like Hearthstone, I played it. It's pretty fun. Like it's pretty smooth. It's not laggy. I liked it. It's one of the few crypto games that I actually enjoyed, Unchained Gods. But I do like IMX, and you know, we can see that it's been up like 40%. It was up 40% in a day 2 days ago. So on my Litecoin, but have not paid upgrade. What do you mean you haven't paid a upgrade yet? Is there an upgrade for it? Biden says, bro, do you have a Discord server? Yes, I always forget to talk about my my Discord server, my Patreon, and 3 days ago I didn't want to live stream, and I live streamed, and out of that live stream I got like 2 new people in the Patreon, which is awesome. But yeah, I do have a Discord server, which is connected to my Patreon. Again, only if you guys are interested. I don't talk too much about my Patreon because, you know, I don't want to be on here just, oh, join my Patreon, join my Discord, this and that, right? It's kind of annoying. I get it. But, yeah, so if you want to know more about it, you can just click the link in my link tree. But, and just a small summary, the difference between like my Patreon, my Discord versus other Discords, this is how it looks like right here. So this is how my Discord looks like. And the difference what you get with my Discord or my Patreon tier 1, well, tier 1 is the cheapest one. It's $8. You get the Discord server, which is this. Okay, but the difference is you get an indicator that I use, right? You get an option to get an indicator that I use, that I created, that you can use on TradingView, and I'll show you how to use it. You get contact with me. You get also here in the Discord, I have like this AI bot, which is super cool. And basically what you do, this AI bot for crypto, it has so many functions. But like, for example, this is something that it does. So you put ideas, you pick a coin. So like Chainlink, Big Mark just said Chainlink. So let's check out Chainlink. So right here, I'm gonna put link, right? Link. Then you put USDT, and look what it does. This is on my Discord. Click enter, look what it does. This is insane. Watch. Boom, look at that. It gives you right now, at the price right now, in the charts right now, it gives you 4 setups, ideas on where Chainlink can go. 4 ideas. So let's take a look at them and see if they are pretty accurate, if they're pretty good or not. This is the first one. Okay, you can see right here it gives you this descending wedge, right? And you can see the measured move here for Chainlink, moving up to about $8.30. So that's the first one. The second one right here, this is another bullish one, right? Both of these so far were pretty bullish, but it gives you the same. And I have this channel drawn on my charts too, so you can see how accurate these ideas are. But I like the fact that they use indicators too, like specific indicators that are pretty good. So it's amazing. I tested this out so many times. It's really accurate. If you guys are in the Discord and you guys are in the live stream right now, you guys can check it out in the trader chat. But also in the Discord, what's different from other Discords is I have this news alerts section here, and in the news alerts section, basically I have a bot that every single time one of these crypto websites like cryptonews.com, Cointelegraph, CoinDesk, right? Every time these websites post an article, in an instant it gets posted here in the Discord, even faster than on Twitter. So you'll be up to date on crypto just being here in the Discord. So this is another thing, and there's a bunch of other things here too. You guys can check it out. But yeah, just wanted to talk a little bit about the Discord if you guys are interested. The links are in the link tree. And yeah, Chainlink, I'm gonna look at Chainlink for you, bro. Let's take a look at Chainlink. Cause Chainlink has been up pretty good. If we look here on the daily, Chainlink is up 5%. Data's up 10%. Sup, bro? I'm new to your channel. Keep up the good work. Dead Game Boxing. Wow, thank you so much, man. Thanks for coming to my channel. Let me know how you found my channel. And I definitely will keep up the good work. But let me know how you found my channel, bro. Good day. I really like Nakamoto games. Me too. I got into Nakamoto games about a month ago. I like Naka. Naka to me is like the... Naka is like the... You know... a lower cap gaming play. That's kind of like Gala and IMX and Engine, but much more reward if they continue to do well. Oh yeah, bro, I'm gonna take a look. Hey, Biden hater, thank you so much, bro. Appreciate you guys looking into my Patreon, my Discord. And again, guys, my lowest tier is $8, and you get the Discord. You get a indicator of your choice that I created. I created 3 indicators, and you get contact with me. You can contact with me and there's a bunch of people on the Discord too that are super friendly, right? And it's just a community. I just wanted to create a friendly community that we can talk about crypto and investing in general. So yeah, thank you so much, bro. Song slaps. I'm happy you like the song. But let's take a look here at Chainlink, one of my favorite coins, and it's been up. Let's see if how Chainlink is doing. It's again, Chainlink is one of those coins that has been doing step 1 of my accumulation that I talk about, and there's 2 steps, right? The first step is that you want to see before buying a coin. You want to see it for months staying flat in this range, basically creating a bottom. That's the first step. The second step, I believe it's gonna take a while, but the second step what you want to see is after Bitcoin starts to be the first mover, make the first move, it goes to 30K, 40K, 50K. When Bitcoin does that, the second step is you want to see your altcoin that you're accumulating, you want to see it uptrend with Bitcoin and break these ranges. Okay, so for Chainlink, it will look something like this. Right, break these ranges, break all this resistance up here, and start moving with Bitcoin. But that's the key thing. Step 2, it has to move with Bitcoin. Not right with Bitcoin, but like after Bitcoin makes the first move, right? Because what's gonna happen? Bitcoin's gonna make the first move, and then all the profits from that is gonna be going into the good altcoins, the surviving altcoins, and that's how we're gonna have altcoin season. So that's what I'm looking for. But I really like Chainlink. We can see where like Chainlink right now is literally in the middle of its range, exactly in the middle of its range, right? The top of the range is about $9.80. The bottom is around $4.60, and right now we're at $7.11. So, you know. But Chainlink is one of those coins that I've been accumulating for sure. For sure. You know of Stargate Ventures at all? I heard of them. I heard of Stargate Ventures, but I never looked too much into them. Let me know if you what you know about Stargate. But I heard about them. See, many coins driving me nuts. Yeah, Phoenix. Yeah, exactly what Phoenix X. He just said a lot of coins are driving him nuts. And that's the thing. That's how it is during the accumulation. During the bear market. During the accumulation phase. Just like right here back in 2018, right? Imagine all the coins that were driving people nuts here. Right? So, it's it really is a stressful time. But if you can be patient, you can do your research, you can accumulate, not get scared out of the markets. Because the way the markets work is the big players, they do things to make you sell at the lowest prices. They put you in a fear emotion to make you sell at the lows, and you know, you sell at a huge loss. I think people sleep on Tezos. Over 600 million market cap, all-time high was $9, and it's currently at 66. Yeah, I agree with you, Sniff. I actually got some Tezos. And do I stake it? I think I stake it. Yeah, I think I stake it. But I like Tezos. Thank God you're here to teach us how you trade. Thank God. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate you coming on here and giving me all the support. I'm definitely not a savior though, but I appreciate you coming on here. But yeah, Bitcoin right now is at a crossroads, and we're gonna figure out where we're gonna head in about 2 days. Right? I told you guys, if we on the weekly, because I am on the weekly, if we close here below 26,400, right, we create a red candle, I believe we're gonna start downtrending. But if not, if you close above 26,500, above 26,400, 500, and continue this nice little uptrend that we've been on here, that continue, we'll work our way up here to 28K. So it's very situational. We're gonna stay flat until then. That's what I believe. Until the weekly is done here in 2 days. And I'll be live streaming on the weekly close, because I think it's going to be a very big weekly close here. Because you can see, look, you can look here at the candles and you can see how important this weekly close is, right? You can just see how important this is, because we got to close above this. This is why we got to close above this, because look at all this resistance. This is a huge point of control here for Bitcoin. We need to close above this to continue this uptrend. If not, then we're headed for 23K. Thank you, Ricky, for following me. Joey says, oh, it's going down, bro. I wouldn't say it's going down yet. Like I said, you know, Bitcoin is going to start downtrending if we close above 26,400. If you get a red weekly candle, then it's going to start trending down. But until then, you know, nothing's set yet. Nothing is set yet. So no, Scott, you cannot, you can't mine Shiba, because Shiba is not a proof of work coin. So you can't mine Shiba. The only coins you can mine are proof of work, like Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Flux, Digibyte. Sniff said, do people still buy Digibyte? I actually have some Digibyte. I haven't bought any recently, but I got a little bit of Digibyte. I know it's like one of the OGs. I had a few Tezos and sold it. Polygon competitor. Yeah, it's a Polygon competitor, right? Who's mad? Who's mad, Biden hater? Who's mad in the chat? Shorted Pepe at 1 billion. That wick is atrocious. Hey man, how much you made? How did you make a lot on that trade? On the Pepe trade? Steph says, I had some Tezos as well, but I traded it for Cosmos years ago. I remember when people were really bullish on SafeMoon. Yeah, me too. Now, you know, you never hear about SafeMoon. You barely hear about SafeMoon. Yeah, just close today. Wow. Congrats on your trade, Joey. Shorting Pepe at 1 billion. 1 billion, when it was about 1 billion, right? That's insane. That's a great short right there. And he just closed today, so. Arbitron might be the one to take over, or Optimism. There's a coin called Shimmer that I wanted to buy, but I don't want to get rid of my Omniflex and Stronghold bags. Yeah, maybe you could diversify. You could put a little bit, right? Should we be accumulating? So, Aaron asked, should we be accumulating? I'm still with the same stance that I've been here for the past weeks. I don't think it's the right time to be accumulating the majority of the altcoins. Only a couple altcoins specifically, like Chainlink, I believe Quant too. You know, mainly the altcoins that you believe in. But at the same time, aren't creating a new low, right? If you believe in Algorand, I still don't think it's the right time to accumulate Algorand, because you look at its chart, it's just creating new lows every month. But if you believe in Chainlink and if you barely have any Chainlink, I think it's a good time to accumulate Chainlink because of the chart, right? This is why technical analysis is so important. And I don't understand why so many people hate on it. There's a lot of YouTubers out there, crypto YouTubers, that hate on technical analysis. And I always want to make videos, but I don't want to get into drama. You know what I'm saying? But I'll probably make a video on talking about why technical analysis is important, because it has the power to basically save you a lot of money, or have double or triple the amount of coins that you have. And what I mean by that is, like, if you could look at the technical analysis, and you know, if I'm telling you, hey, you know, don't put in all your money now because you can buy triple the amount in a couple months that you can now, then that is life changing. That's a great, right? And you can do that just by looking at technical analysis. So right now, majority of the altcoins, I don't think it's the right time to accumulate, just being honest, because of the charts. But specific altcoins out there that are showing a lot of good fundamentals, like XRP, right, XLM, Quant, Chainlink, and on top of that, the charts are looking good. It doesn't hurt to accumulate those. I just try to find tops and bottoms, forget everything in between. Never heard of that machine. Hey, what's up, Summer? Thanks for coming to the live stream. We almost got 3,000 likes, guys. Don't forget to like. Every like helps. Lower lows coming. You think lower? Joy, do you think we're gonna get new lows for Bitcoin? Let me know. My style of trading is to accumulate deep reds and sell them when the bull market comes back. That's all I do. Yeah, and that's what I do too, right? Accumulate in the deep reds. Don't buy on the green days. Like, for example, I have Theta. I'm a fan of Theta. I'm not gonna buy today. I'm not gonna buy any Theta today. It's up 9%. I'm not gonna buy probably for the next weeks until it comes down hard again. So that's my style too, just like you. Uber, thank you so much. AZ Uber, thank you for the chili. Tran said, "So Lewis, what kind of graph is this and where can I buy it?" So this is on TradingView. I created it's this website called TradingView. It's also an app, and these are like a bunch of stuff that I added onto it that you can add yourself too. This is all free. You don't have to buy it. I do have my own charts though on my Patreon that's connected to TradingView. So my Patreon have my charts, indicators, and all that. But you can create this chart yourself on TradingView, which is free. So yeah, gold and silver prices are about to skyrocket 1,500 an ounce for silver. Yeah, and we got a lot of people that are very bullish on precious metals over on YouTube as well, on silver, gold. But I'm very bullish on silver, specifically silver. I think it's gonna perform really well in the next months, years. You know, every time during the uncertainty times, during a crisis and stuff like that, silver, gold, right, commodities, they always perform well. So definitely gonna see that again. Can someone tell me what kind of program this is where I can learn how to graph? Yeah, just search up TradingView. TradingView. You can get the app. You can go on the website. It's just called TradingView. And like I said, it's free. And I do sell my indicators on my Patreon, as well as charts. That's on TradingView. But again, TradingView, the platform, is free. So. Don't sleep on T-Fuel too. Yes. If you guys are bullish on data, don't sleep on T-Fuel, T-Drop as well. I got a little bit of T-Fuel. So, I don't know what's going on with the Polkadot ecosystem. I have some Polkadot, but I haven't been keeping up to date with them. When I first got into crypto, Zombie was always saying Polkadot was gonna be a gem. Crypto Zombie, is he like a YouTuber? According to the U.S. National Debt Clock, that's where I'm getting my information. Oh, really? That's where you're getting information regarding silver? Is that where you're getting your information? In 2021, I sold almost 10K worth of gold and silver for Terra Luna, FML. Wow. So what happened? Did you sell some of it for Terra Luna? That's crazy. Out of all coins, Terra Luna, right? What do you think of the meme coin Pepe? Yeah, I like Pepe. It's obviously not one of my top holding coins. I've actually I'm happy I waited to get into Pepe because I was looking to get into Pepe, but I waited for the crash and it did crash. So I believe we were like right here. Yeah, when I was looking to get into Pepe, it was exactly right here. You see this right here during this time? This is when I was looking to get into Pepe, and I was like, yeah, we're bouncing off of this, we're looking bullish, but I was like, we're already pumped up so hard. And you guys know me, I don't like buying in the green, right? And I was like, okay, I'm gonna be patient. The markets aren't looking so well, and patience pays off, guys. Because if I would have bought right here, if I would have bought Pepe right here, look at this mega drop. This was basically, I would have been down 50%. Yeah, 50%. I would have been down 50% on my Pepe instead of buying it right here. Okay, so I am a little bit down because I bought right here, but instead of being down 50%, I'm down like 10% or something, right? That's why technical analysis is super important. And don't listen to people that hate on it. Do not listen to people that hate on technical analysis. Tell them to come find me on my channel. I'll have a word with them. But I like Pepe. Obviously, it's very risk on. But I do think that once the bull market comes, whenever it comes, I think Pepe will probably do well. Might be similar to like Shiba. How do I get the bubbles? Just search up Crypto Bubbles. It's also an app. So it's a website, but it's also an app on your phone. You can get it. Just search Crypto Bubbles. And thank you guys. We already got a bunch of new people today that followed me. This is why I love live streaming, doing double live streams, because you get more people discovering you. Like, so many people found my YouTube channel through TikTok and vice versa. So appreciate all the love, all the likes. You guys are amazing. Mike says, don't know if you have already done, but can you give an update on XRP? Yeah, I haven't looked at XRP yet. And I'm gonna give you guys my update first, impressions here on XRP, how we're looking, because XRP is a very special coin, one of the most probably the most controversial coin in crypto, to be honest. I'll take a look here for you. Sniff says, no, I sold all my gold and silver thinking Terra Luna was going to be the Eve killer. Oh, wow. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. Don't remind me, bro. I lost 30k on Luna. Wow. I'm sorry, Yasin. I lost some too, you know. Not 30k. That's a lot. But I lost a decent amount. But let's take a look at XRP. Someone asked me to take a look at it. So XRP, again, if you guys are new to my channel, I made a TikTok months ago when XRP was around 80 cents. And I made a TikTok and it's still there for proof. I said we'll definitely come down to 60 cents and most likely come down to this range here around 50 cents. And I was spot on. You can look at my TikTok for proof. And that's exactly where we came. We're in the exact range where I said we would come down to months back ago. And the big reason for that is this, right? This is a big point of control where XRP is right now. A big point of control. Why? Because 3 times, okay, 1, 2, 3 times we get rejected here, right? We get rejected here, and almost all the times that we push through that rejection, like we did right here, look at this huge, beautiful green wick. Every time we come back and we retest it. So to me, it wasn't a big surprise that we went from 90 cents XRP to come back here to retest this huge point of control, since it was a big resistance level here in the history in the past months. So we can see that this is the first week that ever since coming down here, XRP has been green. So this is great. This is what you want to see, because now we might start uptrending here for XRP back to 60 cents, especially when we look down here on my indicator. This is my indicator here on the weekly. We're extremely oversold, right? So we're extremely oversold. We're printing green here on the weekly after like 5 weeks, and this is a nice candle, and we're starting to break our range here. That's, you know, that to me is looking bullish. But I believe if XRP moves up, its big resistance is 60 cents. Okay, so that's where I'm looking at, and that's where I would look to take profits if you're looking to trade XRP. So yeah, XRP playing whack-a-mole. What's up, Lewis? How you doing? What's up, Aranda? I'm doing great. How are you, Aranda? I'm super happy. I had off today, tomorrow, and on Sunday, so be live streaming this whole entire weekend for you guys. Thank you, AZ, for coming to the live stream, bro. XRP will be worth as much as 1 ounce of gold sometime in the future. I hope so. I really do hope so. And thank you for the gifts too, AZ. What do you think of Vara? It's new on Coinbase, loaded 80,000 at 16 cents. Vara, never heard of them. I'll take a look here for them. They're new on Coinbase, so they should be which one is it? Cause there's 2 here that I searched. Let me look at the first one. Is it this one? Is it called Vara Network? Cause there's 2 Varas. Let me look at the markets to see if it's on Coin. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is on Coinbase. So it is this one. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Never a dull moment with crypto. Yeah. That's why I love crypto too. It's never a dull moment. Right. Unlike stocks, forex. But yeah, never a dull moment with crypto. Vara Network. So according to user 65, he said that this is a new coin on on Coinbase. And when we look at this, it's only on Coinbase and Open Ocean, right? I don't see any other places that it's on. So kind of crazy, but what is it about? Let's go down here and figure out what this is about. Vira Network is the first standalone network in the Gear protocol. It's the next-gen cloud infrastructure for platform providing intuitive, frictionless environment for Web 2 and Web 3. It's built on core concepts like actor model, persistent memory, two widely adopted Okay, let me check out the website. Let's check out the website. Oh man, there we go. Let's check out the website. Web3 paradigm shift. So you can build dApps on it, right? You can build dApps. Vera Live. Web3's highest performing layer 1 decentralized network. So it's a layer 1 then. So it is a layer 1. I'm on the website. So right here, best use case, gaming, finance, and many others. Game design, scalability, security, interoperability. So yeah, it's basically a layer 1 that is focusing on scalability, like all the good things that you want to see a layer 1 focus on. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna look more into it. It looks promising, especially if Coinbase added it too, right? But I'm definitely gonna look more into it. Thanks for letting me know about it. Never heard of this, but you know, we know that layer 1s can perform really well, especially if they're trying to solve these big issues, right? Like security, scalability, and maybe Vera might be one of them. So definitely gonna look more into them after the live stream. We don't talk about Bruno. Do you buy green or red? I buy red. I buy red. Thank you for the hot dog, AZ. Always buy the red, sell the green, buy major dips. Yes, right on, Brian AZ. I'm the same way. And the amazing thing is, guys, once you start to use, like, I have the CoinMarketCap app, and I have a watch list on the CoinMarketCap app. That's also on my Patreon. But once you start, look, I recommend all you guys do this because this is game changing. This will change your whole psychology of buying and selling. And it doesn't even involve charts. It involves just having a watch list like this. Adding exactly what I have here. You gotta add this, you can customize it. Add right here 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 day, 30 day, 90 day, year to date. Okay? And what you want to do is every time you're looking to accumulate or buy or sell, you go right here on the weekly, on the monthly, and you just click it. Okay? Boom. Right there, you can see what is down the most on the weekly. What is down the most on the monthly. So, okay, right here, this coin, StoreJ. StoreJ is down 13% on the weekly. Okay? 13% on the weekly. But it's up 47% on the monthly. So, I might not buy StoreJ since it's up 47% on the monthly. I might wait on that. For example, this coin, right here, this coin Electronium is down 15% on the monthly, down 10% on the weekly. So this is a coin that I might look to buy because it's down a lot. You see what I'm saying? Versus buying a coin that's up 50% on the weekly, 50% on the monthly. So, and this is not even involving charts. This is just involving a watch list on CoinMarketCap. If you do this, right, if you buy like this, accumulate like this, you're going to change your whole psychology to buy in the red and to sell in the green. And it is a great tip in my opinion, because it's like people are conditioned to view the color green as good, right? So people are like, wow, you know, like data's up 10%, it's green, look at this beautiful green candle or green bubble or green everything. And you know, it gets people to FOMO in and buy when it's up versus when it's down a lot, when it's in red. and there's like a lot of bad news and stuff like that. So it's my advice. It's old for me, bro. Thanks for checking it out. I'll read all that. I'm losing at this prices. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely look into it. Might grab a little bit too, since it's very low cap and easy to guess. It's on Coinbase. Miranda says, do you usually do 20% swing trades and get out and jump back in? No, what I like to do is usually like I hold long term, and then if it's up a lot, I'll take out my initial investment and then hold the rest until it goes up a lot higher. That's how I like to do it, especially in the bear market when everything's down so much. I'm way more long-term minded. So yeah, I like trading percentages. Shiba's down like 30% monthly. That's great advice, bro. I will shoot a follow and you earned it. Thanks for looking into Vera. Hey, user, thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate the follow. Thank you so much. And again, guys, if you guys are new to me like user is, I live stream almost daily. I bring you guys crypto content daily. And you know, during bear market, bull market, accumulation, doesn't matter. I'm gonna be here bringing you guys content, live streaming. And I appreciate all you guys on here. You guys are awesome. Thank you for the support. Vaughn says, hey bro, I got around 15k in Litecoin. I want to take my 15k and turn it into 50k. Great, so you got 15k in Litecoin. Did you just buy Litecoin? Are you down a lot? Because Litecoin has came down a lot. But you're looking to change 50k to 50k. I mean, most likely you're probably gonna have to sell a decent of that Litecoin, a good amount of that Litecoin, right? Because Litecoin, I'll take a look at Litecoin for you, since you got 15k in Litecoin. I wish you would have came to my channel earlier, because I actually made a TikTok, and when I was live streaming right here before August, I was live streaming here before August when Litecoin was above $100. And I kept warning people, and I got proof for this too. You can check out my history of my TikToks regarding Litecoin. Before the halving for Litecoin, which is right here, before the halving, I made a video, and I said multiple times in my live stream, I said, do not be in Litecoin right now. It's gonna come down a lot. And I said this when it was over $100, and I got proof. It's all there. And look what it did. Ever since I started talking about that, made a video on that, Litecoin came down 50%. 50%. And the big reason for this was because of the halving that took place in August. Okay? When we look here for Litecoin, when we compare it to the last halving, what happened last halving? This is last halving back in 2019. It did the exact same thing. Months before the halving, it starts downtrending, and after the halving, it dumps even more. Okay? And what happens is, after the halving, it stays in this accumulation phase for months. Okay? Months. Very boring. And it only takes off only after Bitcoin makes the first move. Then it starts to take off with Bitcoin into the bull market. Now, will it do it again this year? This time? So far it's following that. I don't know if Litecoin is gonna survive. Most likely it is, since it's an OG, but I still don't think it's a good time to be in Litecoin even right now. So Brian says, diversify, bro. Alex, thank you so much for coming to the live stream, bro. Happy you're learning. And again, guys, none of this is financial advice, just my opinion. I'm just honest with you guys and keeping it real. I invested, yes, no, I bought around Oh, great. I'm happy that you bought around $60 instead of 100 or like 90. So at least that's a good. That's a good positive. I bought at the right time. I'm trying to do a cool 5x on my money. I can't find crypto bubbles. Search crypto bubbles on Google or on the App Store. You should be able to find it. Yeah, search cryptobubbles.net if you're on your computer or Safari app. I didn't buy at the high price. I bought it around $60, the right time. Do you think it can go back to $100, $110? Yeah, so I'm about to answer that right now. And before I answer that, Vaughn, again, nothing that I say is financial advice. Do not make your decisions based on what I say. I'm just telling you what I would do if I had that in Litecoin right now. You know what I'm looking at Litecoin. Okay, so I was right on regarding Litecoin coming down hard due to the halving. Okay, and I always joke, I say Litecoin didn't just have the halving, it also halved in price, which it did. But if we compare it to last cycle, it's doing the same thing as last cycle, right? It's doing the exact same thing. It comes down on the halving hard. And what happens after the halving? This is what happens after the halving. After the halving, Litecoin, it comes down to around $50, and it stays in this range from $50 to $34, $32, right? $80 to $32 stays in this range, stays in this very boring, flat range until Bitcoin, months after the halving, Bitcoin starts to uptrend, and that's when it takes off. But what you got to understand is this is August 2019 till November 2020. That's a lot of time, okay? And that's the same thing that can happen right here. This might be a lot of months before Litecoin goes back to $100, which I think that's what's gonna happen. I don't think Litecoin is going back to $100 until Bitcoin's halving. To be honest, until Bitcoin's halving. Okay, until Bitcoin makes the first move after the halving, and starts to go to 35k, 40k, 50k. I think Litecoin is just gonna stay down here flat around $60, $50, 70. It might go to $80, $90, but I don't think it's gonna go to $100 until 2024, May, July, August 2024. So that's just my opinion. And yeah, that's just what I think regarding Litecoin right now. Yeah, I understand. I'll profit a good amount if it goes up. Dude, if it hits $30, I'm gonna be living on the streets. Yeah, I mean, it might not hit $30, right? This was last halving. Last halving, it actually came down to $25, March 2020. But again, you gotta remember, that was due to a black swan, right? Litecoin actually went from $40 to $86, and then right after the black swan event, in 2020, it went from $86 to $25. So that's why there's a lot of risk too, because you might have a black swan. You know, that's always in the cards, especially in the crypto world. So if Litecoin hits $30, I'm buying it. LOL. Yeah, I'll probably buy some too, for sure. You know, Litecoin, it's an OG coin, so that it has that going for it. The fact that it survived multiple bear markets. Litecoin is not like a coin that was just created, you know, last bull market, you know, or the last 2 years. You know, it is an OG coin along with Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, even Dogecoin. So yeah, that's not true, bro, because if Bitcoin goes to 40k, Litecoin is easily going to hit 150. I wouldn't say so, and the reason why I wouldn't say that is because what happens is, and we can see a little bit of it happening during this bear market. What happens is Bitcoin makes the first move. when Bitcoin makes the first move to 35k, 40k, altcoins are not gonna react right away with it. It might react, it might go a little bit high, but it's not like it's not like altcoins are gonna be up 50%, you know, 100%. You know, Bitcoin is gonna be the first mover, and we can see this from last halving. I'll even compare it right here. I'll try to put Bitcoin right on top of this. But basically, Bitcoin is gonna make the first major move, and it's gonna take us some time until altcoins can start to make some crazy moves and start to head into altcoin season. It's not gonna be instant with Bitcoin. That's why I say that, you know, Bitcoin goes to 40k. I don't think Litecoin is instantly gonna go to 150k. So diversify and you'll sleep better at night. Yes, agree with Brian. Diversify, especially in crypto. That's why I'm very diversified in crypto. I don't understand guys out there that are like, that hold 3 coins, 1 coin, right? I mean, there's 30 guys out there that hold just Cardano. Just Cardano, right? It's insane. Or just XRP, or just, you know, whatever, right? It's just, it's crazy. But yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, let me see here. OMG, I would take at least 5k of that Litecoin and trade it for OmniFlex, where staking is 250%. So that's what Sniff would do over at YouTube. Can we get 1000x coin? Is that possible? Yeah, of course. There's been many coins that 1000x. It's just a lot of those coins are very low cap, right? Would you rather have Litecoin or XRP if they both dropped? I'd probably rather have, I mean, I would probably have both of them split if I had the chance, but if I were to pick one, probably XRP, to be honest. You see a coin that's going to go crazy soon and potentially be another Shiba? I mean, you know, I'll be honest with you, like before Pepe took off, and I said this already before Pepe took off, I was live streaming, and I gotta try to find the live stream. I was live streaming one day, and I was actually on Pepe's site. I was checking out a bunch of coins that you guys were telling me to check out, and I was actually on Pepe's website before it blew up. And I had like the gut feeling, like, man, you know, I had the gut feeling to put at least $10, $50 into it. But what kept me from doing it was the fact that, you know, it was like on Uniswap. You had to use Uniswap, and it was just like, I was lazy, right? And that's why laziness is always bad, right? Because if I wasn't lazy, if I was like actually like, you know what, let me put $10 into this, let me put $20 into this, and actually get on Uniswap, even with the fees, the high fees and all that, I don't even know how much I would have had right now, to be honest. You know, because we saw with that one guy, some guy put like $100 in Pepe and got over $1 million or something. So it's insane. Now regarding that question, I really don't know. Probably some low cap coin will probably do like 100x, like Shiba. But I like VRA, like the low cap coins that I like, to be honest. I like VRA, I like Rio, I do like LCX, I like Presearch, I like Flux. Those are some low cap coins that I personally like. Damn, even if you did invest, you would have gotten the money because Pepe is banning wallets, I heard. Really? Pepe is banning wallets. Wow. I didn't know that. I get you. Uniswap is deterrence. I don't like it. Yeah, it's, I mean, that's really what kept me from putting like 20 bucks into Pepe. Is just really getting on Uniswap and the fees too and all that. So 100% with LJ right there. What's up, Rude Boy? How you doing, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Appreciate you guys coming on here. I've been live streaming for about an hour and 30 minutes so far. Colorado, you can pay DMV fees with crypto on PayPal. Really? You can do that in Colorado? That's great. That's crypto adoption right there. What's your biggest return on crypto, if you don't mind sharing? What's your biggest return on crypto, if you don't mind? Yeah, I don't mind sharing. The thing that I do mind sharing is like how much I own and stuff like that, which I don't recommend you guys ever tell people how much coins you own and all that. Again, I don't own a lot, but just for security purposes. But the coin that I had my most profit in was man, it was like a couple. I'm trying to look at the one that I got the most from, the highest one. Oh yeah, I know. Definitely it was definitely Dogecoin for sure. It was actually Dogecoin, and I bought some Dogecoin when it was around under a penny actually. So this was like before the huge bull market, when Dogecoin was under a penny, and I bought some. I wish I would have bought more, obviously, and I kept buying as it went to a penny. It went to a 2 cents, 3 cents. I kept buying until it was like around 20 cents, and it went all the way up to like 70 cents or something like that, right? But my average that I sold at was around 40 cents, I would say. So not the best, right? I could have sold it at 70 cents, but by average I mean like I sold some at 60 cents, some at 50 cents, but my average would probably be around 40 cents, 45 cents. So that was the most that I made. That was my biggest coin that I made. And I'm still bullish on Dogecoin. I have some Dogecoin miners. Right now I have like 5x more Dogecoin than I had last bull market. So I definitely am more bullish on it. There's gold in Inu, but I don't own any, and it's super risky. Yeah, that's the thing, right? If you're looking to try to find the next Pepe, the next Shiba, there's a lot. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, right? Because there's a lot of coins out there, and you don't know which one's gonna blow up. Yep, moving forward, get people using it step by step. My buddy sold his off and lost 300k. Wow, what did he sell? How did he lose 300k? How much profit did you get off of it? How much profit did you get off of Dogecoin?
New subscriber.
If you don't mind sharing. Yeah, so like I told you guys, like I don't share exactly how much I made, how much I own, all of that. But it was a decent amount. Like it wasn't like life-changing amount, I would say. It wasn't life-changing amount, but it was a pretty good amount. It was definitely my biggest investment amount that I made, even with stocks, because before I got into crypto I was with stocks and stock options and all that. So in terms of investment, it's definitely my biggest one for sure. But yeah. Do you see Bitcoin retesting 19k anytime soon? Yeah, I do. I think if you're new to my live streaming, I've been talking about this for a while. Basically, I think what's gonna happen is we're creating this second shoulder, right? Where we come, I believe we can come up here to around 28,300, 28,600. Create that second shoulder. Once we create that second shoulder, then I think it's only downhill from there. And I can see us coming down here to 19,000 where that could be the possible higher low before next halving. I could see a scenario like that happen for sure. And right now we're in the process of creating that head and shoulders. To be honest, even if we start downtrending from here, we did create it, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. This will still be considered a head and shoulders, even you know, something as small as that. But I think we have a chance to come up a little bit higher, in my opinion. But yeah, I do see it coming to 19K. X announced they will be using crypto. Yeah, and I saw some other things they announced. They really just want to make everything like, you know, like Elon said, they want to make X like the everything app. And that's another reason why I'm bullish on Dogecoin, because I'm pretty sure he has a lot of surprises coming out for Dogecoin on his app. So it's gonna be awesome. What level of support would Bitcoin need to break to go to 19K? Great question, because this is the exact area of support. It's this one right here. Okay, so I think Bitcoin, I still think 19K is questionable, but I think Bitcoin for sure comes down here to at least this range right here, right? To at least this range here, which is around 23 to 22K. Okay, 22,500. So yeah, I would say that right there. So if we break this level around 22,500, and the reason why, I'll tell you the reason why, right? This is a big point of control. This is a big area here where I for sure, I can almost guarantee we will come down here for sure. But you can see right here multiple times in the past history, a big, oh, a smiley face. Look at that. I just drew a smiley face. But this is a big point of control in which if we break this, we can definitely come down here to 19K. Maybe even lower. But 22,500, 23, 22,500, this area right here, I for sure think we're coming down here. For sure. Just looking at the charts. So, yeah. Dogecoin pumped and dumped a 1-day decision. I love listening to your live streams. You just have to be careful not to match up with the big fish. Boo Boast, thank you so much, man. That really means a lot. I'm happy you like being here in my live stream. And guys, my live stream is just it's a crypto hangout. That's why I name it Crypto Hangout. It's just a place where we can talk about crypto, be friendly, and also talk about the world, right? But thank you so much, Boo Boast. And I definitely won't match up with the big fish. Do you think Bitcoin will bottom out by the end of the year or by next year? That's a great question, because the reason why that's a great question is because I am looking exactly at what we've done last halving to what we're doing right now, and so far we've been doing exactly this halving. The halving is this blue vertical line. This is this halving. This is last halving. So far we've been right on point with what we were doing last halving, which is pivot from the bear market, top out here in 2019, and then start to pivot down into the 2020 halving. That's exactly what we're doing right here. Okay? We did last time. Now here's the key thing that you guys got to watch out for. This is what I'm watching out for. Okay? Last halving, what happened? We came down here. We bottomed down here around January to December 2019. You see that? And then 2020, early 2020, January, February, what happened? We uptrended. This is a big uptrend here from coming down 50% beginning of 2020. But then what happened was the Black Swan event. The Black Swan event caused this capitulation, and then we got a V-shaped recovery into the halving of 2020. So my big thing here is, will we also have an uptrend here starting the beginning of the year of 2024, somewhere around here? Will we have an uptrend here? January 2024. And also on top of that, will we also have a black swan? Because we can very well have another black swan, which is unpredictable. But if we don't, and we start to have an uptrend, we can very well uptrend into the halving, which would be something new that hasn't happened last halving. Okay? This is something to watch out for. So I can't answer that yet, but that's something to look out for. And that's why I've been talking about, you know, you want to have your goals of how much you want to accumulate this bear market, and have those goals finished before at least next halving. Right? So why don't large players do this? Hang out, talk about trading and how to trade. How come you people sitting and listening to other people, do you think it's giving you the edge to learn from other retail so you're right where you belong? Hey man, if you want to hate on here, I mean, I don't know why you're wasting your own time hating here on my live stream when you could be doing something better than, you know, trying to hate on someone else's live stream, right? Kevin says one dude turned $200 into over 2 million. Wow. What, Pepe? Hey, what's up, Doctor and Lawyer? How you doing, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. I appreciate you coming on here, bro. Sniff says, "Yo, Lewis, don't you hate the Doja Cat song where she's like, I can't." Yeah. I mean, you know, Doja Cat is. I don't even know how people are listening to that, right? I mean, she's literally dressed as a demon in her album. It's like nowadays they just put it in your face. People don't even, artists, like the people, they don't even hide it anymore, right? I'm not hating, I promise. She looks like an iRobot. And that's the thing, right? Like, these guys, they sign their soul away, and then they gotta do exactly what their program, what the top people want them to do. It's the same for all of them, not just Doja Cat. You got Beyonce, you got all these people, you know. And it's not worth it, right? Like, why would you do all of that to just get money, right? Or fame or whatever. It just doesn't make sense to me. So but yeah. Kevin says Nancy Pelosi. And how are these guys how do these people still have a job, right? Like Nancy Pelosi, all these politicians running our financial system and all, like, it's just insane how these people run this economy. Hence why we got inflation higher at a 40-year you know, highest in 40 years. Insane. OJ says, it's just hanging out and talking about common interest. Where do you see Bitcoin topping out in the next bull cycle? Great question by KBM. I believe there was a live stream where I measured this by prices. And I saw a tweet too regarding the price where it will top out. And I forgot how I got it. I think I did it by like, how much it let me try to do it again, but the price that I came out to was around 240K. But again, that's based on like the fact that, oh, I know how I got it. I know, I'll show you guys here how I got it. I gotta get a calculator. So basically how I did it was and again, this is not, I'm not saying this will happen, but right here, Bitcoin 2017, 19,740, right? From there, the next bull market high, it came to around 67K, right? Let's just put 67K. So we put here 67K divided by 19,000. My bad. So let's put 67K divided by 19,900, because that's the price it came up to. Divided by 19,700, and it's about a 5x, right? So let me see. So it's about a 5x. So let's actually put 68 divided by 19. My bad, it's not a 5x. My calculator is like wrong. Let's see. It's about a 3.40. Yeah, so then you get that and you multiply that by 67. And then yeah, so I came out right there, 230K. So it was about 240K, 230K. And I got that by basically multiplying how much X's it did. So from 2017 bull market high to 2020 bull market high, it was about a 3.4x. And if you get the 2021 high and you multiply by 3.4, you get it 230K Bitcoin. So I'm not saying it will happen. It's just a way to look at it. But again, you can look at it by the charts too. I'm gonna make a chart to figure out where I can see the top is. I just think that we're too early. We're still early to try to figure out the top for next bull market. But I will do a chart specifically on that for sure. Oh, I'm clueless. I just gave you a way to measure where the top will be from last bull market, and a lot of people use it, so I want to see. I'm clueless. What's up, Tez? Let me actually see right here. Where's the That's why they're banning them from trading. Yeah, that's true, right? Like there was a bunch of people that got arrested for insider trading over the last year, which is good. That's what you want to see. And I'm pretty sure there's so many more people that do that and don't get caught. It's just sad. You also have Bitcoin ETF too, which would cause a lot of money to flush in. Yeah, and that's why I'm not really surprised if Bitcoin goes to 230K. Right? A lot of people are saying, oh, 100K, 180K. The thing is, like, the bear market and bull market, it usually goes much lower or much higher than what people expect, right? And I don't think a lot of people are expecting 230K. For sure. I mean, there was even this one guy that did this other type of measurement with the charts, and he got like 500K, $500,000. So want to show this to you guys here too. I just gotta zoom in. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect right here. So even when you look at the rainbow chart, my prediction is pretty accurate too, right? Where's the guy that said I'm clueless at, right? Look at this. Even when you look at the rainbow chart, it's also when I go right here after the halving, right here in the orange, because look, we topped out here in the orange, right? In the rainbow chart, around the orange, slightly red. When you go right here in the orange, it's literally around 250K. 250K. So even in the rainbow chart, 250K, 230K is not out of reach for next bull market. So especially with the ETFs and all that stuff. And again, the next bull market will be 2025, 2026. So how can one buy into crypto with little money? Just it depends what you want to invest in, right? But get Coinbase, get Kraken, all these places where you're able to buy crypto and invest in the coins that you believe in will survive, and that comes with hard work and research. So if you like Ethereum, research Ethereum. If you like Chainlink, research Chainlink. And I think crypto's the best space to be if you have little money, because crypto, the whole entire crypto space is around 1 trillion market cap, right? That's like nothing. 1 trillion. Right now we're at 1 trillion, around there. The bull market high, we went to 3 trillion. 3 trillion. So if you have little money and you invest in stocks, you're not going to get a high return. Obviously it's more safer and all that, but if you do your research, if you invest in right, you can make a lot of money with little money in crypto. That's why it's so popular. A lot of people are in the crypto space because of that reason, right? A lot of people are not even in the crypto space for the technology, for the innovation. They're just in the crypto space to make money and to trade, to be honest. If we're just going to be honest. Tess says, plus wide adoption of crypto in third world countries as 5G makes inroads. Yes, exactly. And that's you're looking at so many countries out there that are adopting crypto. People, everyone in the world now has a phone, and if you have a phone, you have a crypto wallet, you can send crypto through your phone. It's gonna be adopted at a faster rate, especially when their currency, like you look at Argentina, you look at all these countries where their currency is failing them by inflation, right? And they're moving out of their currency and buying, either crypto or other currencies like the dollar. But a lot of the currencies are failing their citizens because of inflation, because inflation is the problem. It's evil what the top people do. They inflate the currency. They keep a lot of it, they give it to their own people, and then the regular people out there, they gotta pay these inflated prices for all the goods, right? It's just, inflation has always been one of the main causes of a collapse of civilization. You look at the Roman Empire, so many examples. Yes, I see Ethereum going to like 15K, 20K, but definitely at least 15K. I see Ethereum. So some comments in the live stream are filtered to protect the community's experience. So look at that. Some people were trying to hate in TikTok TikTok filter the comment. Anytime back. And again, if you guys are new to my live stream, I live stream almost every day. I post at least one TikTok every day, all regarding crypto. My channel's all about crypto, all about investing. And definitely follow. I also have a YouTube, Patreon, Discord, all that. It's all in the link tree if you guys are interested. I agree on that. Yeah. And that's the thing, right? Ethereum is it's very unlikely to see Ethereum fail. There's so much built on Ethereum. There's so many huge projects built on Ethereum. I think it has a great leader, right? Even though he's super weird. And that's the thing, right? Is usually these great leaders are super weird. Like you look at Mark Zuckerberg. He's just super weird, right? You look at Elon Musk, even Elon Musk, super weird. So Vitalik Buterin, you can just tell he's super smart. So I can definitely see Ethereum reaching 15k, 20k. So next bull market. Thank you, Mike, for following. Appreciate all you guys on here. You guys are awesome. Crown winning. And yeah, I'm probably gonna be live again tomorrow. I have off tomorrow and Sunday. I'll probably be live during the day since I'm probably gonna watch football at night. I won't be surprised if ETH market cap 1 trillion expo. Yeah. Let's actually take a look at that. That's interesting because we can see right here that the Bitcoin market cap, this is the Bitcoin market cap. Right now, the Bitcoin total market cap is $500 billion. It's around 517 billion. This is the Bitcoin market cap, only Bitcoin. And it came up here, the highest Bitcoin market came up here was 1.29 trillion. 1.29 trillion, just Bitcoin. And right now, as we speak, we are less than that in the total market cap, which is insane. But let's take a look at Ethereum's market cap. ETH market cap, where is it? I found it right here. So right now, Ethereum's total market cap is at 191 billion, which is a big difference from Bitcoin. As you can see, 192 billion total market cap, and the highest it went to back here in 2021 was exactly where Bitcoin is right now. So exactly where Bitcoin is right now in terms of the total market cap, it was the exact total market cap of where Ethereum peaked out in 2021, which is around 585 billion, right? So that is pretty insane. And I do think that next bull market, ETH for sure is going to go above at least 1 trillion. For sure. Right, it's going to go above 1 trillion, somewhere around here. So, something to look forward to. But, yeah. I'm going to keep you guys updated as we go on here in the future, in the next halving and the ETFs and all that. But I don't think the ETFs are going to be approved this year. It might seem like it might be approved, like you probably get news and stuff like that. But I feel like they're just going to be milking it until sometime in 2024. They're just going to keep milking it to the audience, keep people buying crypto as it slowly downtrends until, and I don't know when it's going to be approved in 2024. My gut feeling is maybe before the halving and maybe after the halving, like a little bit right after the halving or right before the halving. But it's going to be sometime during the halving for sure. I definitely think so. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much. I'll be live again tomorrow, guys. Check out my latest TikToks. Again, love all you guys. Thank you for the 6,000 likes. You guys killed it. Oh wow, I can invite Calvin Hill. Insane. But thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's live stream. Again, go follow me. Check out my Patreon, only $8 a month. There's a bunch of stuff in there, not just the Discord. So thank you guys. Love all you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.